Uniform neckties can be tied with any type of standard necktie knot that presents a neat military appearance. This video will show you how to successfully tie one of the most common knots, the Windsor knot. Start with a tie around your neck. The wide end of the tie should be on your dominant side, and the small end on your non-dominant side. Take the wide end and cross it over the smaller side. Then bring that wide end up and through the loop formed at the neck. Once you bring it through, overlap the wide end down to the right side of the small end, and then loop behind the small end towards the left. Bring that wide end from the left up to the front and through the neck loop. Take the wide end and cross it over the smaller side. Finally, bring the wide end of the tie through the hole you just created on the front of the knot. Now that you've tied a tie, let's make sure your tie agrees with the Marine Corps Order 1020. The tie is between ½ an inch above and below the belt buckle. Now you're good to go. Also, don't forget to place your tie clasp between your 3rd and 4th button from the top of your khaki shirt.